And Jamaica is set to host the 7th edition of the Pan American Handgun Championships from July 22 to 28, with over 20 countries, mostly from the region, set to compete. Denise Walters has our report.
29 countries are down to compete, including the United States, Canada, Brazil, and Trinidad and Tobago from the Pan American region. Other nations like Great Britain, the Netherlands, and the Czech Republic fall under the International Practical Shooting Conference IPSC banner, and as a result, they are also set to compete. Richard Wong, practical shooting captain of the Jamaica Rifle Association JRA, says a great tournament can put Jamaica in a good light to host a World Championship event, which the Pan American region is a step below.
At the Jamaica Rifle Association, we've hosted several international matches before, and they've all been very successful. This is just another stepping stone as it relates to, working our way up to getting a world shoot here in Jamaica, which is basically Olympics for our sport.
Andrew Yap, part of Jamaica's standard shooting team, says he and his teammates are getting the necessary training needed to compete at this high level.
Preparation for any competition, whether it's even track and field or any athletics, is very similar. We have to train, you have to exercise, you have to diet, you have to eat right, and of course you need a lot of trigger time with your firearm.
Another shooter, Anthony Johnson from the production team, says while training is going well, it is too expensive to shoot the number of rounds they would like to match up with their international counterparts.
I'm going to shoot maybe about 100 rounds for each practice, and that might be twice a week. Usually the guys overseas are shooting a lot more, so it's going to be difficult to compete against them. But I think we understand what we need to do, and we can do it a lot better now.
The Pan American Handgun Championships is held every 3 years, with the standard production, open and classic divisions being conducted. The tournament is set to take place at 2 venues, Wood Lane, Clarendon on July 23 and 24, and the JRA headquarters off Mountain View Avenue in Kingston from July 25 to 28. JRA received $1 million from the Sports Development Foundation to host the 2018 Pan American Handgun Championship,
Thursday the
and its
26th
official launch on Friday. For TVJ Sports, I am Denise Walters.